Where are the major hubs for information technology development and innovation? It's the birthplace of many of the world's biggest tech companies, such as Apple, Google, Facebook, and Intel. Known for its culture of innovation, strong venture capital presence, and leading research universities like Stanford and UC Berkeley. Home to tech giants Microsoft and Amazon, as well as many other tech startups. Known for its strong software development community and cloud computing innovations, bolstered by nearby universities like the University of Washington. Known as the hardware capital of the world, with major companies like Huawei, Tencent, and DJI. Features a vast manufacturing base, strong supply chains, and is a leading city in electronics and telecommunications. Called the Silicon Valley of India because of its large number of software companies and IT services firms. Hosts numerous tech parks and is a center for IT outsourcing, with companies like Infosys and Wipro based here. Europe's leading tech hub, particularly strong in fintech, media, and creative industries. Home to many accelerators and incubators, and benefits from its status as a global financial center. Known for its startup culture and digital innovations, attracts a lot of young entrepreneurs and is known for its creative industries and relatively low cost of living compared to other European capitals. A major hub for electronics, robotics, and automotive technologies. Home to global companies like Sony, Panasonic, and Toyota, and known for its advancements in AI and robotics.